This country during the winter. I suppose it's nice to have something a little bit more settled. In actual fact, it will be a very quiet week, really. A few wintry flurries around at first, but then the rest of the week marked by predominantly dry, if rather cloudy weather. It'll also turn eventually a little bit milder across the southeast, where it has been quite cold. And in fact, if we look at the winds throughout this week, they're quite interesting, really. They will be on the light side, but you'll notice they'll always be coming from a generally northerly direction. Now, a northerly wind in winter is something you might associate normally with something being very cold. But in actual fact, those winds aren't that cold because they're not coming from the Arctic. They're actually coming all the way through the Atlantic around this area of high pressure. And it's that area of high pressure which is going to sit there just to the west of us for the rest of this week, keeping our weather, like I said, fairly quiet and settled. That's not to say there won't be any rain around, because there will be a little bit here and there, especially through this afternoon. I think we'll see some thicker cloud and some outbreaks of rain just moving its way down across the north of Scotland, perhaps some sleet and snow initially over the hills here, and also keeping some rather damp conditions across parts of northern England, maybe North Wales as well, seeing a spot or two of rain. Further to the south, some drier conditions, the odd break in the cloud, but also some showers here. And in fact, across the southeastern corner, some of those showers could turn out to be quite wintry, so some sleet and snow is certainly possible. And with that chilly wind coming in off the North Sea, I think it will feel quite cold towards the southeastern corner at just 4 or 5 degrees. Further north, something a little bit milder though for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and it's going to stay mild in the north through tonight. So for Burns night, not too bad really for Scotland. Like I say, it'll be mild, although it will be rather cloudy with that patchy rain heading its way down from the north. Further south though, turning a little drier through tonight, and with some clear spells, we'll probably find temperatures getting as low as -2 in some rural spots. So ice will yet again be a problem, I think, on any untreated surfaces across England and Wales. And there'll also be perhaps 1 or 2 fog patches to watch out for. They could linger into the morning. But generally a bright start across the south. Still some wintry flurries towards the far southeastern corner. And then we'll have this band of cloud, this rather damp weather, just heading its way down through northern England and Wales into the Midlands, I think, during the afternoon. But much of the rain and sleet will gradually be dying away on that. So many places having a dry day. And things will brighten up further north as well, although always staying a little bit cloudier towards the western side of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Mild though in the north again, 8 or 9 degrees here. Still a little chilly further south, but it could turn a little milder here later in the week. And like I say, there'll be plenty of dry weather, very little rain really in the forecast. Anna, back to you.